Alright, problem 59 says we have an astronaut whose mission is to go where no one has gone before, and whatever. We have a rock that's going to take 0.48 seconds to fall 1.9 meters. We're given the radius of the planet, and we want to find the mass of the planet. So the equation we're interested in overall is the force due to gravity equation. Where we have the mass of the rock, and then the radius is our radius of the planet. So we have radius of the planet. This part we have gravitational constant, of course we have. Mass of the planet is what we're trying to find. Oops. But we don't have the mass of the rock. Well, that's fine, because what we're given enough information to figure out what acceleration is. And this component of force due to gravity, that's essentially our acceleration due to gravity on the planet. So we can say that G, or acceleration of gravity, is equal to G m planet over r squared. And then we can solve that for the mass of the planet. And then when we substitute our numbers in, we'll have the component we're interested in. So the next thing we need to do is we need to use the time and the distance to figure out what the acceleration is. So we're given an initial position. Let's see, since we're dropping it, let's call this a y. Initial position is 1.9. Final position is on the surface. Acceleration is what we want to know. And time we have is 0.480 seconds. So look at the equation we have available for this case. Initial velocity, we don't have one, right? We're dropping, I guess I should have listed that over here. If we're going to drop the object, the initial velocity is 0. Initial position we have, final position is 0, and time we have. So we'll substitute what we have. 0 is equal to initial position, 1.9, plus 1/2. Now I'll just call it A, whatever. 0.8 or 0.48 seconds. And I'll solve for my acceleration. Alright, need to put that in my calculator. Alright, now I forgot what we had. 1.9. Oops, that was negative 1.9. Okay, got the parentheses in the wrong place here. Don't need the first parenthesis, but I don't want to scroll all the way over there. And so we get 16.49. Now we can substitute into our equation and solve for the mass of the planet. So 16.49. Now notice I'm not going to put the negative there because I don't need to. I'm just interested in the magnitude of gravity. radius, 8.6 to the 7th. And then now I can put this in my calculator again. 1649. 6 to the 7th. I get 1.83 to the 27th. And take a look at the beginning. That looks like we're done.